What does sleep apnea look like on Apple Watch? If you're curious about how the Apple Watch can help detect sleep apnea, you're in the right place. Let's break down what you need to know. Sleep apnea is a serious sleep disorder that involves pauses or slow periods of breathing during sleep. The Apple Watch, particularly the Series 10, has a new feature called breathing disturbances that can help identify signs of sleep apnea. Here's how it works. The Apple Watch uses a built-in accelerometer to measure the vibrations and movements in your wrist, which helps determine your breathing rate. Each night, the watch assesses your breathing and categorizes it as either elevated or not elevated. If your breathing is consistently marked as elevated, this could be a sign of sleep apnea. Every 30 days, the Apple Watch compiles a monthly sleep report that shows your nightly sleep data. To get an accurate report, you need to wear the Apple Watch for at least 10 nights during that 30-day period. This report will include an alert if your breathing patterns indicate you might have sleep apnea. When you receive this alert, it means the watch has detected frequent, elevated breathing disturbances over the past month. This alert will also provide you with a PDF that you can discuss with your healthcare provider. It's important to note that while the Apple Watch can detect signs of sleep apnea, it is not a replacement for a medical diagnosis. Only a doctor can officially diagnose sleep apnea, usually through a sleep study or an at-home sleep apnea test. In addition to the breathing disturbances feature, the Apple Watch tracks other health metrics like heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and wrist temperature to help determine whether you're awake or asleep and how long you stay in each sleep stage. These metrics can give you a better understanding of your overall sleep quality. The Apple Watch Series 9 and Ultra 2 can also use this feature if you update to the latest watchOS software. This makes the Apple Watch a valuable tool for monitoring your sleep health and identifying potential issues that you should discuss with your doctor. Remember, if your Apple Watch indicates you might have sleep apnea, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor about getting a formal diagnosis and any necessary treatment. This could involve further testing to confirm the diagnosis and to find the best treatment plan for you.